Alright guys, so Memorial Day here. We're going to take a minute and figure out how to mount this flag in your truck bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to use just 2 U-bolts. And we're going to tie it, if you have these bed rails, here and there. It's as simple as that. I'll go ahead and post the size of those in the description. But we just drove down the road 70-75 miles an hour. No issues, it doesn't move. So as you can see, you're going to want to tighten it down to the point where it's almost starting to bend here. And like I said, if you scratch the aluminum, not a big deal on those rails. You'll want to remember that the height of your truck is going to be taller than it was before you had the flagpole, obviously. And you don't want to drive into the garage because you might lose it. But I'll keep it short and sweet, no big speeches, but today's Memorial Day. If you want to show your appreciation and you feel like doing it with your truck, that's one way to do it. Sit. That's a good girl.